problems based on no type of conclusion. That means the conclusion itself will be like no A is B, not the given statements. The conclusion is will be like no A is B. The rule 1 is you have two types of diagrams, basic diagram and alternative diagram. When the given statement, when the given conclusion is true in both basic diagram and alternative diagram, then only it is true. That means this is AND gate, right? It resembles AND gate. So true, false, 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 true. All these cases it is false. Whereas in the only one case, when the given conclusion is true in both basic diagram and alternative diagram, then only it is true. Okay, no type of conclusion is true. This is rule 1. Next, what is rule 2? Rule 2 is if all the parameters are connected by a single Venn diagram, then no type of conclusion is always false. See, when all the parameters are connected by a single Venn diagram like this, see here you have when the basic diagram is like this, then all the parameters are connected by a single Venn diagram. When the basic diagram is like this, then no type of conclusion. That means the conclusion that starts with no A is B type of conclusion is always false. You need not check. You can mark that it is false, right? If all the parameters are connected, the basic diagram looks like this. When at least two parameters are disconnected, then basic diagram will be like this. When there is a disconnection, that means like this, right? So then there is a disconnection. This is A, B, C. When there is a statement like no A is B, when you have this type of statement in the given set of statements, definitely there will be some disconnection in the given basic diagram. If all the parameters are connected, then it is all the no type of conclusion are false. Some trees are papers. Some trees are papers. Trees, paper. And some paper are pen. Some paper are pen. All pens are cars. All pens are cars. And all cars are trucks. All cars are trucks. All cars are trucks. No truck is cycle. Now we have another set outside, that is cycle. And no truck is cycle is a given statement. Right. Now this is basic diagram. But what about alternative diagram? No cycle is tree. The first statement or first conclusion is no cycle is tree. No cycle is tree. See, there is no intersection between trees and cycles in the given basic diagram. Therefore, it is true in the basic diagram. True in the basic diagram, right? And so this is AND gate, right? No type of statement is AND gate. But there is a possibility that trees and cycles may have intersection. Trees and cycles may have intersection. That means instead of drawing cycles like this, you can draw cycles here, right? And still we are not violating the given statement that no truck is cycle. No truck the cycle is still it is true in the in this diagram, right? This is alternative diagram. The previous one is basic diagram. This is alternative diagram. So, but in the alternative diagram, no cycle is tree is false because you can find some cycles which are trees. No cycle is tree is false. So it is false in the alternative diagram. One of the attributes is false, then it is false and gate. So this is false. So coming to the second conclusion, no cycle is paper. No cycle is paper. Where are papers? Papers are here and cycles are here, right? So in basic diagram, there is no connection between cycles and paper. So in basic diagram, it is true, but you can construct alternative diagram like, how can you construct alternative diagram? You can keep these cycles here. Still, we are not violating the statement. No truck is cycle, right? No truck is cycle is true from the given this diagram, right? So you may have intersection between papers and cycles. It is not mentioned. It is not mentioned that you cannot have intersection between cycle and paper in the given statements, right? See, we are not violating. You may have intersection between cycles and papers. Therefore, it is false in the statement. No cycle is paper is false because you can find some cycles which are paper. Therefore, this is false in the alternative diagram. As a result, it is totally false. The result is false. Therefore, this is false. Now, coming to the third conclusion, no cycle is car. Right? This is basic diagram. No cycle is car means cycles and cars. Where are the cars? Cars are here. Cars are subset of trucks because no truck is cycle. You cannot have intersection between trucks and cycles because cars are inside trucks. You cannot have intersection between cars and cycles also. So alternative diagram itself is not possible, right? Therefore, this statement must be true. Now coming to the fourth conclusion, no cycle is pen. Here clearly you can see from the given basic diagram that no cycle is pen, right? There is no intersection between cycles and pens. Therefore, no cycle is pen must be true. It is true in the basic diagram, and also alternative diagram is not possible. That means when you try to have intersection between cycles and pens, you must go inside tracks. It is not possible. You may have to take cycles inside track. It is not possible. So you cannot have intersection between a pen and a cycle. Therefore, you have to take that also as true in the alternative diagram. As a result, it is true. So given statement conclusion, no cycle is pen must be true. Coming to the next problem, all cake are sweet, all sweet are good, some good are best, no good is chocolate. Right. So let us draw the basic diagram of the given statements. All cake are sweet. This is cake. All cake are sweet. All sweet are good. So good, sweet are a subset of good, and some good are best. There is the intersection between good and best. And no good is chocolate. No good is chocolate means chocolate. So there is no connection between good and chocolate. This is basic diagram. Now coming to the conclusions, the first conclusion, no chocolate is best. When the statement is given like no chocolate is best, the basic diagram, no chocolate is best is true. It is true. And you should try for alternative diagram. Can we have intersection between chocolate and best? Yes. Right. So right. So this is alternative diagram. That means from this we are not violating any given statement. Still, all the given statements are true in this diagram, alternative diagram also. Still, all cakes are sweet. All sweet are good. Still, some good are best. Still, good no good is chocolate. So all the given statements you can construct from the given from this diagram also. That means when no chocolate is best is given, you can have intersection between chocolate and best. That means some chocolate may be best. So this is false. This is false in the alternative diagram. In the basic diagram, it is true. In the alternative diagram, it is false. As a result, it is false because it is a AND gate. Right? We use this symbol for AND gate, this symbol for OR gate. So this is false. Now coming to the next conclusion, no chocolate is sweet. No chocolate is sweet. Yes, because no good is, you cannot have intersection between good and chocolate, and sweet or inside good, you cannot have intersection between sweet and chocolate, right? So no chocolate is sweet and no sweet is chocolate. Both are true, right? Coming to the third conclusion, no chocolate is good. No chocolate is good. Yes. When no good is chocolate is given, no chocolate is good is also true. Here no good is chocolate is given. Here no chocolate is good is also true. So this must be true. See, in this problem, you have no statement related to no. No A is B. So can you find a statement like no A is B? No A is B type of statement is not given in the given set of statements. That means there is no disconnection. Some paper are switch, some switch are book, all book are notes, all notes are pens, all notes are pens, some pen are cycle or scale, some pen are scale. See, all the given parameters are connected by a single Venn diagram. In that case, no A is B type of conclusion is always false. That is rule 2, right? No A is B type of statement is always false. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Like the video. Thank you so much.